What's up, guys? So I got a call, rather a text at about 10 a.m. this morning. One of my customers, all he said was a video, and the text said, I don't think this is supposed to do this. And I'll play the video now, and it's sure not supposed to do that. So another truck was sent to unload that trailer, which had a bunch of cars on it, and that truck and trailer were left at the side of the road. So now at about 20 to 6, we're just getting around to going and getting it off the road. So I'm pulling up to the customer's yard here in a minute. Gonna grab him so he can drive the truck home, grab some parts, and go get this done. So we'll, I'm not sure how much I'll talk through this because it's gonna be on the side of the road and kind of just want to get it done. But yeah, let's get after it. So we're here now. Customer's backing it up a little bit just to give us some more space, or rather pulling forward, then he's gonna back up here because it is a fairly tight shoulder and it is very busy out here. Yeah, very, very tight spot. So let's try and get in and out of here quick. Sorry? Well, there's a lot of play, but it's also very tight. I think it's the brake that locked up.
We flat spotted a tire on this side last week, or 2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
And it's just like the brakes don't come on that hard to be able to drag a tire and lock it up.
Yeah. Yeah. Something is not happy here. What was that non-resonated turd?
BMW. Turbo too. I think that's too old.
Oh, was it?
Yeah, I think it's too old.
I would have guessed, as I did, no resonator on it. But because I've heard some of those M Sport exhausts sound a lot better than that. Oh, spinning now. Well, I think it was the drum because I don't. It's easier to see from my side, but that entire, sorry, not the drum, the shoe or the backing plate assembly, because where that thing rides is white, and where it's not is black. So I think it was the backing plate just decided to adjust forever and somehow didn't lock up, but burnt it up. Nope, wrong size. Let's try this one. So yes, this is a trailer that has been converted into grease instead of oil, and you guys will see it after, but there's a lot of baked grease in there. Watch this. There is not much left of anything. So I lied. This isn't baked grease. This is bits of bearing and race. It is not in good shape. Okay guys, so it did a lot of damage. The bottom of this spindle is completely chewed up, seal surface as well. It basically destroyed the hub. It was about a half-hour fight just to get races back in it. Basically we are at limp this thing home mode now. I'm gonna clean this spindle up the best I can so we can get bearings on it. Get some bearings in the hub, get it all packed, and get this limped back to the yard the best that we can. And at least get it off the side of the road where we're not in traffic trying to deal with it. So yeah, this is kind of what we're dealing with. That seal surface, I'm not looking at the screen, so I'm not sure if you can see it, but that seal surface is just destroyed. The hub got so hot, the outer bearing race, it's in there, but it's loose. So again, this is, you know, don't do this at home kind of stuff. This is, we're on the side of the highway and we're gonna get this thing off the side of the highway tonight, one way or the other. So I would rather overdo it in caution than find out it's underdone. Because the only way you find that out is by doing this. I don't understand. You get anywhere close to it not having adjustment, it locks up. Something is bent, twisted. Bent, twisted, not happy. I don't know. I don't think so, because like I can see around it. It's touching at the top of it. How the fuck? Turns out that something in the backing plate was overheated and bent, and when the bearings were adjusted, it would jam up. So we're gonna switch the backing plate with the new one that we brought, so it looks proper. Get the hub on and get out of here. We'll get out of here.
Yeah, almost there. That'll be fucking interesting.
If it doesn't spin now, I light a fire and go home.
I can just go down the road and look after the fire anyways.
See, there you go.
Yeah.
It's thinking with your dipstick. There we go. Now we're cooking with peanut oil. Okay, one set. Place outer nut on. Turn the torque up. I really want a different torque wrench. Bend a couple tabs in, and then we'll go digging through a toolbox for a cap. Now we just got to see what kind of fun I'm going to have getting this starting a thread. Okay, so we are out of here. I'm sorry I didn't show a whole lot more of that. It's getting dark and it's getting busy. Lots of cars, just wanted to get out of there. But yeah, it caused quite a bit of carnage and damage. Very lucky that we were able to get it fixed up enough to at least get back to the yard. When I go back to get a hub and stuff on it, I'll hopefully show some more of it. But until then, have a good night and we'll talk soon. All right, well, it is the next day. What I didn't show last night was once we got off the side of the road, the customer called and said he had no brakes at all, nothing. Brake controller in the truck was showing overload. So I met him back at the yard. We went through it. It appears that when that brake let go, that magnet shorted and it seems to have wiped out the other three. There's no continuity through any of them. So we're back today. We're gonna change that blown out hub and put 3 magnets in it, give it a bit of a service. I'm not sure how much of it I'll record. It's cold, it's kind of rainy, and I'm beat. So it's kind of get it done and get back home. So if anything, I'll throw up a little bit of a slideshow if I find anything super exciting. If they really did short out, there might be a couple melted magnets, which is sort of an interesting thing to see. So we'll start getting this thing in the air, get it ripped apart, and hopefully get in and out of here pretty quick. Well, it didn't take long to find something interesting. I haven't even gotten the hubs off the right side yet, and that wheel was loose, and it has worn every one of those studs. Luckily, the wheel's okay, and because we're changing the hub on the other side, that means that I have good studs on that hub. So I'm gonna have to take the drum off of this hub. The drum's already coming off that one, and gonna have to change the studs out because we can't let it ride like that. All right, so suspicion's confirmed. One magnet, or first hub off, magnet hits the ground, not even connected at all. Other hub off, magnet's kind of just there. It was just hanging out basically. The wiring all feels super soft. So that looks like that's what it's gonna be. So we'll change the magnets out on these two, and I already punched the studs loose. I gotta take the drum off to get them fully out because I wouldn't want to make that easier than it needed to be. Once that other hub is off, we will nicely get the studs out of it and get them installed in this hub. all back together and down the road. Okay, well, I did not film much of that at all. It was quite a fight. All the bolts that hold the drums to the hubs were seized on the two that I had to take apart. Knocking all the studs out was, the ones that were already wrecked were easy. Hit them with a sledgehammer, they pop out. The ones you got to save were a little bit trickier. So yeah, it is all back together. It's tested. All the brakes are working now. All the magnets are working. It's all adjusted, tied up. Just about ready to go. We're going to throw the wheels on, torque them, and that's it. Go home, go to sleep, get up, do it again. Okay, thanks for watching, guys.